Once the installation has been successfully completed, we log in again as the standard user of the machine. Remote diagnostics can now be started via the menu, Other Apps, in the folder Remote Diagnostics. To connect the machine to the bridge, start pairing mode on the bridge as described in the documentations. Your bridge will then appear in the selection menu. It then can be selected and the Start Pairing button pressed. Remote diagnostics can now be started. If you have set up two-factor authentication, this must be confirmed by following the link in the email sent.